Hi, this video is for those people who come to my inbox and you are quite a number. Wajiko, I have like 1 million. Which share should I buy? Share, not shares. Another one, I have like 5 million. Which share should I buy to make monthly income? Makosa ya kwanza, you cannot approach Nairobi Security Exchange like Forex. You know Forex, I've traded Forex. You used to put your trade, I used to put my trade, that was my strategy. I put my trade around 10-11 when the London time open. I put my trade around that time. Then around 3-4 when New York market is open, I exit the trade with either my profit or loss. A very risky affair. You cannot approach Nairobi Security Exchange with that mentality of Forex. You cannot be making monthly income or making daily income. No. Nairobi Security Exchange rewards patience and long-term investing. And by the way, if you are there and you have that kind of money and you are struggling in Nairobi Security Exchange, why can't you book for one-on-one? I only charge 2,000 and I'll be able to guide you to become one of the smart investors in Nairobi Security Exchange. Or if you don't have the 2,000, buy my book, especially the one for how to pick profitable shares for only 400, and you'll be better investing in Nairobi Security Exchange. So what are you supposed to do if you have that kind of money? If you look at BAT now, look at this share price. There was a time even it was at 346, imagine, saa hii iko huko ma 570. You with your 1 million, umekuja ukaekelea ikuwa hapa 570. And then it start going down because it will go down. Book closure is end of this week, Friday. Observe it from next week. It might start going down. Next year, we expect all these counters to go down, especially during the election period. Na wewe ulikuja ukaeka hapa 1 million yako na ukanyamaza ukasema, oh, I have invested. Makosa. What are you supposed to do? A more practical strategy would be, rather than investing all your money at once, buy in phases. Divide your intended investment into small portions. Buy gradually over time. You can even divide that 1 million up to next year, December. This one will help you reduce the risk of entering at peak hapa. And when you enter at peak, the moment it starts going down, you are there panicking and then selling because you put all your own 1 million na ukasahau hiyo chapter. So you buy in phases, divided even to 50 every month. So the good thing with this, if you came here and bought BAT at 5, currently it's at 570. Iende chini next month, let's say it comes to around 515, you buy more. Iende chini, you buy more. Hata ikija hapa ma 347, 346, you buy more. You enjoy the averaging down. The price, the initial entry price, you enjoy the averaging down. And what I tell people, instead of buying one share, hakuna magic share in Nairobi Security Exchange that which share should I buy to make money? No. Diversify across sector. Buy like 3 to 5 shares only. And diversify across sector. Maybe get 2 in banking. You cannot miss a banking sector in your portfolio. That will be criminal because banks, they perform better. You can get one manufacturing, you can get one energy, you can get one from the medical field or from the agricultural field, those strong companies. Then you put a certain amount. If you have like 50,000, if you say now, like now I'll be investing 50,000 every month, so you're gonna 5 counters. Work at 10,000 here, 10,000 here, 10,000 here, 10,000. That is 20% for each. Then at the end of the year, there's something we call evaluate your portfolio. If you evaluate your portfolio and you find out maybe BAT is performing better than KCB, now increase the percentage of BAT. Give it like 25%. KCB reduced to 15%. So you evaluate your portfolio in terms of which company is performing better. Then the other thing you are supposed to do is, apart from that, buying in phases and diversifying across sector and evaluating at the end of the year, be consistent. Every month wekelea hiyo 50,000. In fact, I tell people, if you have like that 1 million and 5 million and you want to invest, why don't you also diversify in other investment vehicles and the others which are giving even better returns? Why don't you uendelee na 50,000 yako or 100k every month, then the rest you can put it in other investment vehicle. And all those investment vehicles I teach people in my one-on-one if you want to know more about them. Thank you.